Please go ahead.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. My name's Audrey. I'm dialing in from New Zealand, so it's quite early in the morning for you, but it's nice to be here. I'm here to talk about collective wellbeing with Cardano. So the real problem is that mental health is one of the most neglected areas of public health, with globally over 1 billion people with some form of mental stress or mental illness. Simple solutions can be effective, but unfortunately access is limited. So we need an innovative solution to raise mental health awareness and to promote well-being. Not only that, but fear, anxiety, and doubt plague the crypto community. Cardano also has a grand vision and paradigm-shifting goals, and this can be stressful to those building it. But the Mushroom Mob is here to help. So the Mushroom Mob is an NFT project, which is not just about commercializing NFTs. It's a pixelated mushroom project. There's 10,000 pixelated mushrooms. There's 10 different types of mushrooms with over 100 traits, resulting in over 1 billion different possible combinations. The art has already been created, as you can see by our little pixelated mushrooms, each with different items and backgrounds. Our vision for this project is to collaboratively inspire and maintain wellness. Just to give you a bit of a background of who the team of the Mushroom Mob is, it's myself. So I am the project manager and I'm a registered clinician. So I'm skilled in lifestyle and behavior change models. There's Johnny, who's the artist of the Mushroom Mob characters and has also been the dev behind this project. And we're also joined by 2 other health professionals who are either leading the community or focusing on the longevity of this project by providing with us health management and business advice. So Mushroom Mob is a project that is already up and running. We conceptualized this in December 2021. We created a website, www.mushroommob.io. Johnny has already designed the artwork of 10,000 unique Mushroom Mob characters, and we've already started an online presence through Twitter, Discord, and Instagram. And our first drop of our NFTs launched on the 18th of March, so about this time last week. So what does a Mushroom Mob NFT get you? Basically, if you own one of these Mushroom Mob NFTs, you are able to be part of a community. We host regular community wellbeing challenges, which provide community accountability for better habits in a gamified way. This is reinforced with the chance to win either ADA or Cardano NFTs, and you also get social feedback from the community to encourage you to keep going with these health promoting behaviors. You also get access to free health and wellbeing workshops run by qualified and registered health professionals. And also by being active in the Discord, you get access to the health and wellbeing providers there as well. Not only that, but you are able to join a community network of Cardano wallet holders who are also wanting to improve their health and wellbeing. And also through a percentage of our proceeds, we'll be able to help fund mental health research, specifically psychedelic research, and giving these to respected institutions. So this is an example of one of the challenges that we did in our Discord, where it was all about movement. The primary purpose of this is to encourage protective factors and healthy behaviors that optimize positive mental health. So for example, physical activity is one of them. So we utilize a multidisciplinary approach in order to do so. So it's not just about things focusing on psychology, although our workshops will focus on things like positive psychology, building resilience and stress management. But the wellbeing challenges also focus on all of the other things that can also help with boosting mental health, such as physical activity, spending time with loved ones, and eating well. So Mushroom Mob is an innovative project because it utilizes the mushroom metaphor. The mycelium is a tight-knit, action-packed community, and so Mushroom Mob is trying to replicate that in our online community to help relieve mental health issues. We also innovatively inspire well-being by gamifying the wellness experience through these community well-being challenges and also the provision of free online workshops. Again, these cover a multidisciplinary approach. So they do cover some protective psychological factors, but also things like nutrition workshops, yoga classes, meditation classes, and exercise classes. In doing so, we're associating Cardano with well-being. Those who participate in our community wellbeing challenges will have the opportunity to win ADA or Cardano NFT as a reward for engaging in these health promoting behaviours. Also, those who attend the free online workshops will receive a badge or a token, and in turn, in the future, we hope that these badges or tokens can be used to provide discounted access for health services. All of this combines allows us to bridge the gap, not only between the community and registered and qualified health professionals, but also helps to reduce social isolation, which is something that is increasing in a time where the COVID-19 pandemic has hit the world. We reduce social isolation by joining a community of Cardano wallet holders who want to focus on health and well-being. Also, we're bridging the gap between current and future mental health treatments by funding mental health research in the hope of revolutionizing treatment for future generations. So in terms of what the proposal was for, it was mainly for 6 months of community building and 6 online workshops, which will be split across the developer, project team, and the workshops. In terms of what we will measure, we'll be measuring the online community in terms of who will be attending our workshops, and also we'll be collecting qualitative and quantitative data in order to measure its success. We also hope that this will increase the number of Cardano wallets and transactions, focusing on people who may not necessarily have heard of Cardano before, but are drawn to it through the network of health and education. We also hope to gain more partnerships and collaborations with other Cardano-based networks and groups for promotion and wellness activities, and also reach out to specific communities that may be underrepresented in mental health care at the moment. So in summary, Mushroom Mob is creating a mental health solution using innovative collaborative action powered by Cardano NFT technology. Thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know.
Thank you, Audrey. Any question in the room? I guess not. I'll ask you something, Audrey. In order for you to onboard new people, and once they are onboarded, to engage them, because your NFTs and your project is very attractive, but once people are onboarded, how do you plan to keep them engaged after the program? For instance, the well-being program that you should, you know, make proof of exercising, walking the dog, and the well-being. After that stage is over, how do you plan to keep those who are already onboarded engaged in the project?
Yeah, so what we are planning at this stage, so these wellbeing challenges on our Discord is really a form of beta testing to see, you know, what people engage with and what they like. Ideally, in the long term, what we're hoping to build is some form of platform where it's a wellness log or a wellbeing journal in which people can actually document, they can set a goal themselves or a particular aspect of wellbeing that they're struggling with, and then essentially online kind of be part of this journey where, you know, each day or each week they're regularly checking in on their well-being, but then you're earning points for you know, engaging in these health promoting behaviors or congratulating someone else in the community. So it's kind of reinforcing all of those protective factors. So people will be able to work at their own pace, focusing on a goal that means a lot to them. And that will hopefully keep them engaged long term. And then the online workshops can help to build on that by providing some information and materials to continue that journey.
Okay, Audrey, thanks. Anyone else? Okay, Audrey, if you want to jump to conclusions and wrap it up, please.
Sure. So Mushroom Mob is definitely an innovative way of utilizing NFTs. We are showcasing the prospect of utilizing them for good and an innovative way of promoting health and well-being in a space in which not many people are encouraged to invest in their health and well-being, as sitting behind your screens can be quite detrimental to health, but we're trying to flip the narrative here and do things completely different. So I'll post the link of the IdeaScale in the chat, but if you had any questions, please reach out. I'm more than happy to talk to you further about this project.
Thank you. That was good.
Thank you, Audrey. Very inspiring and very good to hear that somebody is looking after us.
Thank you so much, Audrey.